One of the ways technology is used to create a presence for your agents is in creating and maintaining a consumer-facing website. Most agents have a website of their own, or at least a page on a website set up by their brokerage, or maybe both. There are many companies that offer website builders that are easy to use and update. Essentially, this means that you don't need coding skills and that everything is fairly intuitive, meaning you can drop and drag elements into place. It is important to note that with many of these tools, having some knowledge of simple coding or HTML can be helpful to customize the look and feel and add special touches. Updating an agent or brokerage website means that you are responsible for verifying all the information for accurate and timely information, and that it continues to be compelling as new best practices emerge. Make sure that the website works well and looks great on mobile as well as on a desktop computer or tablet. As with listings, make sure to use compelling and accurate content and images. Test your website in a variety of browsers, and make sure to regularly test for broken links. You'll want to make sure that your copy is SEO compliant so that it will show up on website searches, which essentially means that it is full of keywords that are relevant to what a customer or client might search for. Some agents like to have a search engine with a feed to MLS listings. Some agents just want to show their own listings or their listings from their brokerage. Some of the more common website builders include WordPress, Canva, and Squarespace. These sites come with a variety of pre-built templates, so you don't have to worry about creating a design. Most of them allow you to have a trial period before you buy the product, so you can find the one that is best for you. Also, you'll need to host the site somewhere, which incurs an additional cost, though many of these website companies offer or include hosting.